Hello, guys. Today we are going to learn Ghanaian praises. For a very long time, we've been doing English songs, and I'm a Ghanaian. So I have a friend of mine here, Brother Eben. He's going to take us through. We are going to be doing a series of about 10 videos explaining to you from beginning to the intermediate level so that you can also play the Ghanaian praises and then help out in church. So, Eben for you.
Okay, thank you, my brother. All right, on the keyboard, we're gonna play it on key F. So on the key F, we have the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. We have do as a chord, do. Then we have the re, mi. Then we come to the fa, so. Then we come back to the do once again. Okay, so with the song I Re with the backing, you come back to your normal chord. That is the do, the chord. That is the do, mi, then the so, being the first chord of do. So it goes like this for the first chord. So let me first move on with the song. That
Let's
is
play the song and then explain.
okay. Aye re. So it goes like this. Aye re. Aye re. So the next one, you move to the fa, being the do, fa. So do, fa, then the la, as explained earlier. So aye re, aye re. Then you move to the fa, yeah, yeah. Then you come back to the normal chord, which is the do. So that's how we're gonna play it. Okay. So let's start once again. So we are moving in bits. So move to the do, being the chord, the do, mi, so. Okay. Aye re, aye re, yeah, yeah. Na ye ma o so. So ye ma o so. That one you come to the do, the so, the so. Ye ma o so. But take note of this. We have the inversion of it. It's either you play it the so here, or you move this the inversion. You come back and play it the other way around. Okay. So let's begin once again. Aye re, aye re, yeah, yeah. Na ye ma o so. Aye re, aye re, yeah, yeah. Na ye ma o so. So that is it for the aye re. Okay.
Okay, so I hope you paid attention to the hand coordination. Can you do it as slowly as possible so that they will see how which hand goes first before the next one?
Okay, thank you. That is, we have the do as a chord in F.
If you're playing the backing,
So
which hand comes first?
so the right hand being the chord, first chord of the I re do, being this one. So the first one is the right hand here. I re.
So left, right. So okay, the coordination. Do it slowly.
Yes. Okay. So
Like wait. Okay.
so I re.
All right.
The next one is aye re.
Okay, so it's the same pattern. The hand coordination is the same
Yes,
pattern.
the same pattern.
All right. So if you're watching this, this is the first video, and it's for beginners on how to play Ghanaian praises song, and we are going to be doing a series of them so that you can understand how to, play them. And we are using key F as our reference point. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. God bless you.